Hello friends, my name is Tilak Merulia. My roll number is 476. My division is D. I am studying SDGen College in FI BCom. So today our topic is different type of source of energy. So what is definition of different types of source of energy? First, there are many different alternative sources of energy that are used in the world to generate power. While other sources are being discovered the whole time, none of them has reached the stage where they can be used provide the power to help modern life in function. So two type of energy. First renewable energy and second non-renewable energy. First renewable energy. Uh, First solar energy from the sun, wind energy, geothermal energy from the earth inside the earth, hydropower from flowing water, ocean energy in the form of wave, tidal and thermal energy, and biomass from plants. Non-renewable energy source. First petroleum, hydrogen gas liquid, natural gas, coal, and nuclear energy. So we different type of source of energy. First solar energy. What is solar energy? The primary source of energy is the sun. Solar power harvests the energy of the sun by using collector panels to create conditions that can then be turned into a kind of power. Large solar panel fields are often used in desert to gather enough power to charge small substations, and many homes use solar system to provide for a hot water cooling and supplement the electricity. So that is solar energy. Second, wind energy. Wind power is becoming more common. The new innovations that are allowing wind farms to appear are making them a more common sight. By using large turbine to take available wind is the power to turn the turbine can then turn a generator to produce electricity. It requires high investment and which speed is not also uniform every time, which affects to generation of power. While this seems like an ideal solution to many, the reality of the wind farm is tending to reveal an unforeseen ecological impact that maybe make ideal choice. Third, hydrogen energy. What is hydrogen energy? First, hydrogen is available with water H2O and is the most common element available on Earth. Water contains two-thirds of hydrogen that and can be found in combination with other elements. Second, one is separated. It can be used as fuel generating electricity. Hydrogen is a source of energy and can be used as a source of fuel of power, ship, vehicles, home, industry, and rockets. It is a completely renewable and can be produced of demand and does not leave any toxic emission in the atmosphere. 4. Nuclear power. What is nuclear power? While nuclear power remains a great subject of debates as to how to save its use and whether or not it is a really energy efficient when you take into account the waste is produced. The fact is remains one of the major renewable source of energy available into the world. Second, the energy is created through the specific nuclear reaction which is then collected and used to power generators. While almost every country has nuclear generators, there are moratorium and their use construction as the scientists try to resolve to safety and disposal issue for water. So that is nuclear power. Thank you. Thanks for watching.